Imagine 1,000 workers sweating for months, laying bricks and pouring concrete to build a single bridge, their progress crawling at a human pace. Now picture a single machine, a colossus of steel and circuits, blitzing through the same job in mere days. Faster, smarter, and relentless. These are the genius machines revolutionizing construction, outpacing entire armies of workers with mind-blowing speed and precision. Today, we're unveiling 10 machines that build faster than 1,000 workers combined, powered by cutting-edge tech that's shaping the cities of tomorrow. Buckle up for an electrifying ride into the future of engineering, where speed is king and innovation rules. Welcome to Titan Machines TV, where we showcase the tech transforming our planet. These 10 machines aren't just big. They're brilliant, using AI, sensors, and automation to build at speeds humans can't match. For each, we'll dive into its jaw-dropping speed, time savings compared to traditional methods, the smart tech that makes it tick, and its impact on cost and labor. With an upbeat vibe and a focus on what's next, let's explore how these machines are building the future faster than ever. Here we go! Number 1. Workin SP1600 Slipform Paver. The Workin SP1600 Slipform Paver lays concrete roads like a futuristic artist painting highways. This German machine, used in projects like India's Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, pours and shapes concrete at 15 meters per minute. Compared to traditional methods, where 1,000 workers might take 6 months to pave a 10-kilometer road, the SP1600 does it in 2 weeks, a 12-fold time savings. Its AI-driven leveling system uses laser sensors to ensure a perfectly flat surface, while GPS-guided steering keeps it on track. This tech slashes labor cost by 80%. Number 2. Leehair LRH600 Piling Rig. The Leehair LRH600 piling rig drives steel piles for skyscraper foundations, like those for Dubai's Burj Al Barsha. This German rig, weighing 120 tons, hammers piles 60 meters deep at a rate of 10 piles per day. Manual pile driving with 1,000 workers would take 3 months for a major foundation. The LRH600 finishes in 10 days, saving 11 weeks. Its smart sensors monitor soil resistance in real time, adjusting force via AI to avoid overdriving, while automated alignment ensures precision. By reducing labor needs by 75%, it cuts costs significantly, enabling cities to rise faster and safer with foundations that last centuries. Number 3. Heron Connect Mix Shield, TBM. The Heron Connect Mix Shield. TBM bores tunnels for subways, like Singapore's Thomson East coastline. This German machine, with a 12-meter diameter cutter head, tunnels at 20 meters per day through mixed soil. 1,000 workers using traditional drill and blast methods might take 2 years for a 5-kilometer tunnel. The Mix Shield does it in 4 months, saving 20 months. Its AI navigation system adjusts for geological changes, while pressure sensors maintain tunnel stability, preventing collapses. Automation cuts labor by 90%, slashing costs and enabling rapid urban transit expansion. This TBM builds the arteries of future cities, connecting millions in record time. Number 4. Volvo PL4 809E Pipe Layer. The Volvo PL4 809E pipe layer lays massive pipelines for oil and gas, like Qatar's North Field expansion. This Swedish machine, weighing 60 tons, lifts and places 50-ton pipes at a rate of 1 kilometer per day. Manual methods with 1,000 workers would take 6 months for a 50-kilometer pipeline. The PL4809E finishes in 50 days, saving over 4 months. Its smart load management system uses sensors to balance heavy pipes, while GPS ensures precise alignment. This tech reduces labor by 80%, cutting costs and speeding up energy infrastructure that powers nations. The PL4809E is a lifeline for the future's energy demands. Number 5. Caterpillar 390F Hydraulic Excavator. The Caterpillar 390F hydraulic excavator digs foundations for projects like London's HS2 rail network. This American machine, weighing 90 tons, scoops 12 cubic meters per cycle, moving 10,000 cubic meters daily, 1,000 workers with shovels might take a year to excavate a large site. The 390 Fahrenheit does it in 2 weeks, saving 50 weeks. Its AI-powered hydraulics optimize digging patterns, while 360-degree cameras eliminate blind spots. Automation reduces labor by 70%, lowering costs and speeding up urban development. This excavator carves the groundwork for tomorrow's cities with unmatched efficiency. Number 6. Putsmeister Telebelt. TB200 Conveyor. The Putsmeister Telebelt. TB200 conveyor places concrete for dams, like Ethiopia's Grand Renaissance Dam. This German machine, extending 60 meters, delivers 200 cubic meters of concrete per hour. 1,000 workers with wheelbarrows would need 3 months to place concrete for a dam section. The TB200 does it in 5 days, saving 11 weeks. Its sensor-driven belt adjusts speed to prevent spills, while automation ensures precise placement. This cuts labor costs by 85%, enabling massive water projects that power and irrigate entire regions. The TB200 is a game-changer for sustainable infrastructure. Number 7. Kamasu WA1200-6 Wheel Loader. The Kamasu WA1200-6 wheel loader moves aggregates for projects like Saudi Arabia's Riyadh Metro. This Japanese machine, weighing 220 tons, loads 35 cubic meters per scoop, handling 50,000 tons daily. Manual loading by 1,000 workers would take 4 months for a large stockpile. The WA1200-6 does it in 10 days, saving 15 weeks. Its AI-driven traction control navigates rough terrain, while sensors monitor load weight for efficiency. This reduces labor by 75%, cutting costs and accelerating urban transit projects. The WA1200-6 builds the backbone of future cities at lightning speed. Number 8. Sany SCC 40000A Crawler Crane. The Sany SCC 40000A Crawler Crane lifts massive bridge components, like those for China's Xihumen Bridge. This Chinese crane, weighing 4,000 tons, lifts 3,000 tons with a 200-meter boom. 1,000 workers using smaller cranes would take a year to erect a major bridge. The SCC 40000A does it in 3 months, saving 9 months. Its AI load balancing system and real-time wind sensors ensure stability, while automation streamlines setup. This cuts labor by 80%, reducing costs and enabling record-breaking infrastructure. The SCC 40000A is a titan building the world's longest bridges. Number 9. Epirock SmartRock D65 Drill Rig. The Epirock SmartRock D65 drill rig bores blast holes for quarries, like those supplying stone for Abu Dhabi's Louvre. This Swedish rig, weighing 30 tons, drills 50 meters daily with laser-guided precision. Manual drilling by 1,000 workers would take 6 months for a large quarry. The D65 finishes in 3 weeks, saving 22 weeks. Its AI drilling system optimizes bit speed, while sensors detect rock density for efficiency. This reduces labor by 90%, cutting costs and speeding up material supply for iconic projects. The D65 powers the future with precision and speed. Number 10. Mezzo Nordberg NP20 Impact Crusher. The Mezzo Nordberg NP20 Impact Crusher processes aggregates for airports like Dubai's Al Maktoum expansion. This Finnish machine, weighing 70 tons, crushes 1,500 tons of rock per hour. 1,000 workers with manual crushers would need 5 months to produce enough aggregate. The NP20 does it in 10 days, saving 19 weeks. Its sensor-driven feed system adjusts for material size, while automation ensures continuous operation. This cuts labor costs by 80%, enabling rapid construction of runways and terminals. The NP20 fuels the infrastructure of global travel. These 10 machines, from the Workin SP1600 to the Mezzo NP20, are revolutionizing construction with speed and smarts. They save months, sometimes years, compared to traditional methods, slashing labor needs by up to 90% and cutting costs dramatically. Their AI, sensors, and automation make them unstoppable, building roads, skyscrapers, and tunnels at a pace humans can't match. Imagine a future where cities rise in weeks, not decades, thanks to these giants. The Workin SP 1600's highways connect nations, the Sany SCC 40,000A's bridges span seas, and the Heron Connect TBM's tunnels link millions, all faster and cheaper than ever. They're not just machines, they're the architects of tomorrow, reducing human toil and unlocking progress. Which machine's speed blew your mind? Drop it in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel for more glimpses into the tech shaping our future. Let's keep racing toward a world built faster, smarter, and bolder.